good bass too, you guys. I'm gonna go and get my net here. Bring them on down to me. Boy, he spit that joker out. I knew he was gonna do it. That's the only thing about it. They will spit it out. I was trying to keep him down. God dang, he did me dirty. Did me dirty. But there's more down here. He ain't the only one. When they get to jumping out that water, you gotta cross your fingers. I don't care what kind of lure. You can have a lure with 3 treble hooks on it. When they get to jumping out that water, that joker will come out. I don't know how they do it, but it will. Hopefully I can keep this one, you guys. Hopefully. There we go. Bass number 2. I reeled that joker in fat. He wasn't a big one. The other one was about 3 pounds. I couldn't do that to him. I'll tell you one thing though, once this hook get in there, it's in there. Once you get in there, it's just in there. There you go. A half-pound bass. Boy, they tear these lures up quick. Them bass are just, they're rough characters. Rough characters, you guys. There we go. Let's get back out there. There we go. And this is about far as I go right here on this curve. You see those signs start showing right here, all the way around, but ain't no signs here. So I just stay right in this area and fish. I don't walk all around. I ain't trying to mess up my privilege to do this. I'm real grateful I can even fish out here on my breaks and no one come and say anything to me. All right, let's switch this over. Let's switch this over and get a worm. There we go. Let's see if this do anything. So what I did was, this is normally a 6-inch worm, but I broke it down to about 3, and we'll see if anything bite that. Should get a bite though. God dang, this joker don't want to go. It's so light, it's going wherever it want to go. I just vertical jig. Man, right there, they got me one. Yeah, right there, they got me one. Vertical jigging, you guys. That's a nice bass too. That is a quality. That joke alone, quality bass. There you go. Switch it over to that worm and bam. There you go. There you go. Nice little bass, you guys. Nice little bass. All right, bass fishing, guys. Bass. Damn, wind blowing like crazy. I'm at the vertical jig. Got one. There we go. Vertical jigging, baby. Vertical jigging. I'd say close to 2 pounds. Went right down there and got me one. Just walked down. Just walked down. Bam. Got him on that 6-inch Senko. I'm gonna use the plier. These hooks are here. These hooks is no joke. No. There you go, you guys. So I got them on. About 1.5 pounds maybe. Let's see. Maybe close to 2 pounds, but we'll see. Hold on. Let me put the clamps on. But I think about 1.5 pounds. Well, that ain't gonna work. It's more than 1 ounce, I know that. With zeros, 1 pound and 10 ounces. So that's probably, yeah, a little bit over 1.5 pounds. All right, so this is not worth getting a selfie with, but it's nice to walk down there and grab one right off the bat. Largemouth, there you go. Get on back out there. So what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm vertical jigging. 1/16 ounce jig head with a 6-inch Senko. Could be a yum, it could be a wacky worm, whatever you want to call it. But I think it's a Senko worm. I can't remember the, man, I'm telling you, them basses are rough. Look at it, it's already tore. And I'm dropping all the way down to the bottom. Probably about 5 or 6 feet deep here, maybe a little bit deeper. So I'm letting it get on the bottom. And once I see that line slack, I tighten up just a little bit where it sits on the bottom. And I bounce it up and down off the bottom, just like that. Up and down. I watch that line slack. See that I'm on the bottom. Up and down. And you can let it sit there. And something to come and get it. Got one. Just changing up presentations, you got. That's all I'm doing. There you go. So I went to a little small rattle trap by the inch. Ooh, I should have brought my pliers, because these things will put them treble hooks in you. All right, I'm gonna have to go back there and get my pliers, you guys, cause this thing will flop, and boy, yeah, and they will put it on you. There we go. There you go, YouTube. Right under the pound bass. So, went from plastic to hard body, a small 2-inch crankbait, or rattle trap, I'm sorry. And drop it in the water, let some line out, about 20 feet, there you go. Let it fall down, and then I'll just start walking the concrete like this, real slow. And send something to take it. Just like that. You'll feel the pull. Now with those little 2-inch crankbaits like that, you need some thin line so it can drop and look real, you know. 10-pound, 12-pound test line, thing ain't gonna drop. That's too light. You need some 4 or 6-pound test line. Set your drag where you don't lose the bass, and hope it don't spit rattle trap out. Got another one, you guys. Got a good one. And I'm talking about a good one. You walk down here and get my net. It's about a 3-pound bass right here, you guys. I got a long way to go, but he'll come with me. As long as he don't come up and jump, I'm pretty good. That's a good bass, you guys. I mean, a good bass. Oh, that was a long walk. You guys probably don't stop watching the video by now. But the one that hung around to see if I landed, let's see what happened. Let's see if he's gonna get off. Ooh, that's probably about a 4-pound, but 4-pound bass. Oh, nearly. Big bass, big bass, big bass. That might be 5 pounds. Lord Jesus. On that. You guys, I just got a big bass. Slab hunter, baby. Y'all know how I do it. Not just a crappie fisherman, not a bluegill fisherman. I bass fish too. So let's see how much this baby weighs. All right. we go, guys. Look at this big old bass here. Oh, nice. Guys, look at that hog. Look at that hog. It's a big one, ain't it? So let me weigh this. I'll say 4 something. I'll say about 4 something easily. Easily about 4 pounds. Maybe under 4, but we'll see. Ooh, right at 4 pounds, you got 3 pounds, 15 ounces. 16 ounces a pound, so I gotta weigh it again. Let me adjust this clamp on the mouth. All right. You guys get ready. Let's see what happened. Let's see if it's a 4 pounder. Now I went to 312, so I lost a couple ounces. Third time it's the charm. Let's see, 312 or 315. 4 pounds, 1 ounces. That's what I'm gonna go with, you guys. 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Let's go. Let's go, slab hunter. Let's go. All right, guys, let me give you a better look at this fish. Here you go. 4 pounds, 1 ounce. There you go. Big old female. Now let's get her back in the water. Let's get this hog back. Look at that big old belly. Let's get this hog back in the water. She's gone instantly. All right, guys, I haven't made a video in a while. I know you guys been waiting on the video to come out. So these are just a couple days, yesterday in the day, in the daytime on my lunch break catching the bass. So be looking out this weekend. I'm gonna have a crappie video coming. Well, if the wind's high, I don't know, we'll see. I wanna get on my 2-man boat, but if not, well, maybe I have a nice big bluegill video coming. But you guys, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and commenting and sharing if you share. And until next time, fish on. You guys stay blessed. Peace.